Tanika, you are my soulmate, and I count myself the luckiest man on earth to have found you. I can't believe I get to love and be loved by a woman like you, and it's my greatest blessing to get to have you by my side for the rest of eternity.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming
Mr. and Mrs. Errington.
I promise to spend every day making sure you feel safe, loved, and inspired. I love you, darling.